Hi, imagine a customer calls your business because they are ready to book an appointment. Your AI accesses the calls, responds to all of their questions, and everything goes smoothly until it's time to schedule the appointment. The AI can't actually book the appointment, so the customer has to wait for someone to call them back. And that's where many businesses lose potential bookings. So, in this video, I will show you exactly how to connect appointment booking with GoHighLevel Voice AI step by step. So your AI can automatically schedule appointments for your customers even when you are unavailable. Before we get started, if you haven't watched my previous tutorial on how to build a Go High Level Voice AI agent from scratch, I would highly recommend watching that first. It will make this tutorial much easier to follow. I will leave a card above and also add the link in the description below as well. By the way, if you are new to this channel, I am Dinesh. Over the past few months, have been learning and building with Go High Level, and on this channel, I shared simple beginner-friendly tutorials to help you learn GoHighLevel and AI automation step by step. Also, at the same time, I am recording this video. GoHighLevel is running its Summer of AI promotion. During this limited time campaign, new users can get 50% off the first 3 months on eligible plans. If that promotion is still available when you are watching this video, you will be able to claim it through the same link. And if the Summer of AI campaign has already ended, don't worry, GoHighLevel regularly runs special promotion throughout the year. So it always worth checking the link to see what's current offer is. And one more thing, if you decide to sign up using my link, I would love to help you get started with your first GoHighLevel Voice AI agent. If you are completely new to this platform, just connect with me on LinkedIn using the link in the description, and I will do my best to help you through the initial setup and answer any questions you have. So now let's start connecting appointment booking with our voice AI agent so it can automatically book appointments without any manual work. To do that, first come to the left hand side, click calendars over here. So it will take you to this page. Once you click on calendars, at the top you will see something called calendar settings. Go ahead and click on that. Here you will find list of calendars I have created earlier. If you have created multiple calendars before, all of them will be appear here. So since we are creating everything from scratch in this demo, let's create a brand new calendar. So click on new calendar over here. Now Go High Level will ask you to choose a calendar type. There are 4 different calendar types available. Let's quickly understand what each one is used for. The first one is personal booking. This is used when appointment need to be booked for one specific person, like a dentist, doctor, consultant, or coach. Every appointment is assigned to that single person. And the second option is round robin. This is used when you have multiple team members providing the same service. Go High Level automatically distributes appointments among the available staff members. And the next is class booking. This is designed for group sessions where multiple people can book the same event, such as workshops, webinars, training sessions, or fitness classes, and much more. And finally, we have something called collective booking. This is used when multiple team members need to attend the same appointment. The booking is confirmed only when everyone's schedule is available. So, since we are building an AI receptionist for a dental clinic with a single dentist, personal booking is the perfect choice for this demo. So, let's select personal booking. So, once you have selected personal booking, you will see this pop up. Here, High Level allows you to create a calendar by entering a few basic details like calendar name, team member, custom URL, and then finally with meeting duration. You can simply fill these details and click confirm to create your calendar. So alright, our calendar is now completely ready. We created a dental consultation calendar and configured all the necessary settings. Now comes the exciting part. Let's connect the calendar to our voice AI agent so it can automatically schedule appointment for our callers. To do that, go back to your main dashboard and then click AI agents, and then on top select voice AI, and then go to agent list. The created dental AI receptionist voice AI agent is here. Then click that one. Then go to that actions tab over here. Then click new action. So from the list, you will be able to see something called appointment booking. Click that one. So the first step is going to be calendar selection. So under pick calendar, you will see a drop down. So you have to select the created calendar. So created calendar is called dental consultation. You have to click that one and then click next. So now we will move into the advanced settings for this appointment booking action. Here you will notice two sections like booking behavior and then the appointment management. Now let's start with booking behavior and understand what each of these option does. So this section controls what information the voice AI should collect from the caller before booking an appointment and how it should be scheduled those appointments. So the first section is going to be the what to collect from the caller. So here you can choose what information the AI should ask the caller for. For example, email address is recommended. It allows Go High Level to send booking confirmation and calendar invitation. You can also ask for the caller's phone number. This is useful if you want to send SMS reminders or contact the patient later. And below that, you will find few optional fields such as full name, address, and then finally with notes. These are completely optional and should only be enabled if your business actually needs them. For example, a dental clinic might collect the patient address for registration or allow the caller to leave the notes about their symptoms or specific requests. The important thing here is to keep the conversation as simple as possible. Only ask for the information you are truly needed. Asking too many questions can make the call feel longer than necessary. Next, we have something called scheduling window. Day to offer ahead controls how many days into the future the AI should offer available appointment slots. In this example, it's said to be 3. So the AI will suggest appointments within the next 3 days. And the next one is going to be buffer between slots. This adds extra time between appointments. This can be useful if your staff needs time to prepare for the next patient or clean the treatment room between appointments. So finally, we have something called appointment management. This section controls whether your voice AI can also help patients reschedule or cancel their existing appointment. So these are all the complete basic settings of appointment bookings. Then click save. So as you can able to see, we have successfully connected our appointment booking calendar with our voice AI agent. Now we can going to test this whether this particular appointment booking calendar is going to or voice AI agent is going to book an appointment for our callers or what. So for that, all you have to do is come to test audio and then click start a web call.
Hey, you have reached Alistal Dental Clinic. How can I help you today?
Hey, I would like to book an appointment for a dental checkup.
Happy to help with that. Is this your first time calling us, or are you already a patient here?
Yeah, it's the first time.
Welcome. And just to confirm, you'd like to book a routine dental checkup, right?
Yes.
Great, thank you. Let's get you scheduled. Do you have a preferred day or time for your appointment, or would you like to hear what's available over the next week?
What's available?
Here are some options for your checkup. Today, Friday, we have noon, 2 p.m., or 4 p.m. On Monday, there's 9 a.m., 11:30 a.m., or 2 p.m. Tuesday has 9 a.m., 11:30 a.m., or 2 p.m. as well. Would you like to pick one of these, or do you want to hear more options?
I think Friday will be better. What are the timings available in Friday?
For this Friday, July 17th, we have openings at 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m., 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m., 5 p.m., 5:30 p.m., 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m., 7 p.m., and 7:30 p.m. Is there a time that works best for you?
Yes, 7:30 p.m.
Great. I'll reserve Friday, July 17th at 7:30 p.m. for your checkup. Can you please spell out your full name for me?
Yeah, Denish, Denish.
Thanks, Dinesh. And your last name? Could you spell that out for me as well?
Ton.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat and spell your last name for me? Just take your time.
All right, Ton.
Thank you, Dinesh Tan. Could I get your email address as well, please? This is just to confirm your appointment. Go ahead whenever you're ready. What's your email address?
Denish@gmail.com.
All set. You're confirmed for your checkup on Friday, July 17th at 7:30 p.m. We'll send a confirmation to denish@gmail.com. Anything else I can help you with today?
Do you want my phone number?
If you don't mind sharing it, having your phone number helps us send reminders or reach you if anything changes. Would you like to provide it?
Yes.
Great. Please go ahead and tell me your phone number.
Okay, 987654321.
Just to confirm, that's 987-654-321, right?
Yes.
Thanks for confirming your number. Your appointment is already set for Friday at 7:30 p.m., and we have your details on file. If you need to update anything else or have questions before your visit, just let me know.
No.
All right, Dinesh. Thanks for booking with us. We'll see you Friday evening. Have a great day.
So as you can able to see that we have a conversation with our voice AI agent that we created. You might notice that few things were not actually proper. I think the postings were a bit too long, and the way it answers, and it didn't ask for the phone number. So we can by customizing the prompt, we can actually correct those things. But the thing is, this is how the entire system is going to work. Now we have the conversation. Now let's go and check whether our appointment has been successfully booked or not. So if it was successfully booked, this is how the entire system is going to work. And let's go back. So here on the left side, go to calendars and go to right side, click calendars, and you have to choose the calendar we just created. Okay, as you can able to see that our dental consultation has been successfully created. That the appointment, we can able to see the appointment has been successfully created over here, 2:30 to 3 p.m. So this is how the NDA system is going to work. So it's not only going to work for only for the dental business, it can work for any business you want to set it up. So if you're thinking about trying high level for your own business, I left my affiliate link as the first link in the description. Through that link, you will be able to start with a standard 40-day free trial. Also, at the time I'm recording this video, high level is running its summer AI promotion. During this limited time campaign, new users can get up to 50% off the first 3 months on the eligible plans. If that promotion is still available when you are watching this video, you will be able to claim it through the same link. And if the summer of AI campaign has already ended, don't worry, Go High Level regularly runs special promotion throughout the year. So it's always worth checking the link to see what's the current offer is. And one more thing, if you decide to sign up using my link, I would love to help you to get started with your first Go High Level Voice AI agent. If you're completely new to this platform, just connect with me on LinkedIn using the link in the description, and I will do my best to help you. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helped a lot.